lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all happy and healthy. So today I am going to set up a planner that is all about cleaning. So it's going to be the Marie Kondo style, the inserts that I grabbed from Made Paper Co. So I'm very, very excited. If that interests you and you would like to see it, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and we'll get straight into the video. So as you can see, I have picked out my planner case or cover, and that is the pink one, only because I have not yet used her. Like personally, I have not been using her as a planner cover, even though I have been really, really wanting to. So I thought, what better way than to just set this one up as the Declutter Marie Kondo cleaning planner, and hopefully it works out and I actually do use it. So the reason I'm doing a separate planner is because, as you can tell, my beautiful black Chanel quilted planner is completely full and I don't exactly have enough room. So I'm going to open up this and take out all the other inserts except for the Spark Joy. Now I know that this actually, it's not quite thick, it's not extremely like bulky, but we're going to figure out a way to try and make it where it's kind of full but not too full. I've kind of always wanted to, you know, have a bit of a slim, and I mean slim kind of planner, but this is a little too much for me. But anyway, I'll try not to ramble so much in this video. I would like to put something at the front here just to kind of protect it. As you can tell, I listened to everyone who said definitely put the pink in, it looks beautiful, so it's in here at the moment. But we need to pick out a nice little cover, something that will not ruin it, and I have no idea what that may be. So let's have a quick look. I've got a few planners with some inserts. I mean, I could put this in, but I don't like the colours together at the moment. I don't know what's going on with me. I'm not feeling it. So let's have a look. Actually, I do want to put in a couple of these blank notes. Actually, not this one. I want to use these. I want to kind of use all these up, just because I'm kind of getting annoyed with them and I'm over the dots at the moment. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll put 5 sheets in. Okay. I just need something. I need something that I would like to put at the front that kind of keeps me motivated and go, yeah, let's do it. Not only that, it stops it from ruining the pages as well. I mean, I've got these beautiful Planners Anonymous freebie inserts that I made and printed out from their website. Or I say made, but what I mean is I cut it out and everything. I actually cut this out and made it into like a little nice thing, which is kind of cute. I feel like that would be the way to go because it's like, you know, oh, things to do kind of thing. I don't know. Then I've got all of these ones that I made ages ago. So they're like just dashboards that I kind of like, but I don't know if it'll suit what I'm doing. Oh, okay, so this one looks quite nice, but I just don't like the colour of it. Oh, what are we going to do? I feel like I might just stick with the cardboard one because it does look really nice and it kind of suits my planner as well. So I'm going to, yeah, I'll chuck that there. Move that out the way. And we'll pop this in. So it's in the front there. Actually, we will quickly put these in as well, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably pop them right at the back because they're not exactly, you know, it's just notes. Oh my goodness. So today I'm literally all over the place. I have no idea what to say and I have no idea what's going on. I do have this pouch, but I'm going to use that for something else. I forgot that I even had these. Ooh, actually they might work just as good for the notes and stuff. Alright, well I'll move those over. I'll put these in the back here because extra notes doesn't hurt. And that's my little page lifter, which works. Okay, now, I need dividers, but I don't exactly know if I have any, to be honest. I really don't know. Ooh, this would be pretty. That would be really nice. Where could we put that? Ooh, what if we... I know, I'm really feeling this. I really like it. What if we... where can we put it? Sorry if I'm rambling on. This is why I don't usually try to talk, because I just go on and on about random things. Ooh, I nearly ripped that. Okay, let's pop that over there. Oh, that looks so cute. I love it. Actually, you know what? This would look even nicer in this nice, beautiful... I don't know what to do now. Tell me whether you reckon it'll suit much better the cleaning in this beautiful brown planner, or if you reckon stick to the pink. Because I don't know, I feel like this looks so good with the brown. Anyway, let's move on. Otherwise I'll sit there talking about colours. I don't think I actually have any... Ooh. Let's put that over the top. I know I'm going a little bit silly with the decorating, but that's okay, because as I said in the past, whatever makes you happy and fits your planning style, that's completely fine. You're allowed to. Nobody has to tell you what you can and can't do. It's your planner. Do what makes you feel good. So, trying to figure out, I don't actually think I have any inserts that I could probably use. So, oh, so pretty. Yep, I've got that page lifted there, but I mean that page this does look really pretty. I really do like it. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put, oops, now I'm messing it up. I want to put that over there. I'm going to swap that one out and close that up. Just because I feel like this one actually suits much nicer. So we're going to pop that there. Ooh, I really like this. I'm really liking it, and I don't know what's going on at the moment. Okay. I mean, you know what? We could even literally take out this front page and have like this. But then I don't want this part, the zipper, to scratch off the pretty foiling on it. So I might just leave that there for now. But other than that, that is quite nice. I think that looks very pretty. I love it. Funny thing is, it's not even fall or autumn, but it just looks really pretty. I love the leaves. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as a little divider thing. So I'm going to pop it right. Okay, there we go. We'll pop it right there, so that way I know this is where my daily tasks are. And then we have the notes section. However, we do not have a tab, but let's just do this. So I have these top tab dividers that's in sticky note form, and I'm so happy that we can use these. So let's just pop these. I mean, I'm not even going to label it. I'm literally going to grab it off, pop it up top. Probably not there. I might actually just chuck this. I don't know now. You know what, I'll just chuck it here, and look, if I need to move it, I'll move it, and that's okay. No, don't take it off. Just going to pop this here as carefully as possible. I hope you can see this, because sometimes I always get it out of shot for some reason. Okay, so it's going to look like that. And I'll just write the notes around it, that's okay. It doesn't bother me so much. But, ta-da, it's got a little tab. That's so cute. And that's okay, because we don't need to go and buy more, which is fantastic. Alright. Now, to figure out what step I'm on, I probably will start using these tabs, or I will actually use, I wonder if I have them in here. I don't think I do. Give me one moment and I'll be back. Okay, so I decided to grab my little sticky note stash, and I'm going to show you a little bit of an example of what I would typically do. If you would like me to do a video on me, that once I finally start getting into this decluttering kind of thing, let me know if you're actually interested in seeing that video to see how I have been progressing with the cleaning method. If you're interested, please let me know down below in the comments, because I would be more than happy to show you if you're very, very interested. Okay, so I would probably even use these little sticky notes and chuck it on the side or up the top here to let me know which one I am on. So that way, you know, when I'm going through and I go, okay, well, this one's all ticked off, this one's all ticked off, but, you know, say I'm like on number 4, I would go ahead, put a sticky note up the top, so that way I would go, okay, that's where I'm up to, flick to it, and then get straight into it. So that's how I would use my sticky notes. It doesn't even have to be these ones, it could be literally any sticky note you want. I would probably opt for the small ones just because it doesn't take up the whole page, but again, you can if you would like. Unfortunately, they only come kind of like this. But then again, I suppose you could actually, just thinking about it, you could probably flip the page over, stick it on the back there, and then it would be on the other side. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, that could work. But other than that, it'll be kind of stuck there. But me personally, I would use the little round sticker ones. I would probably even use these little flags here, even the bigger squares, even the paper ones. I think that's pretty much all my tiny little stickers. That's pretty much what I would do, and just so I can figure out where I'm up to in my planner for the decluttering method. Okay, so I know it's really short and really sweet with this video, but there's not really much else I could probably do. I probably could fill it up a little bit more, but to be honest, there is actually not much with the decluttering thing, which is why I also decided to keep these inserts here just for note paper, plus adding some extras just for some more paper. I mean, I don't know. Once I get right into it, I think I'm going to really know what I'm doing. So let's have a quick flip of what is inside it. So as you can see, I've kind of got a beautiful little deco front to keep the rest safe. Then we flip it over, we have some beautiful acetate, got these beautiful vellum, and just so you know, these 3 are all from Planners Anonymous. It's like in a sub box or anything, something like that. Then we go into the Maypaper Co. Spark Joy Marie Kondo checklist kind of thing, and we'll do a quick flip of that. So this is pretty much what it looks like and what I'll be going through. I really hope this actually helps. I mean, I've gotten rid of so much in my planner. Sorry, not my planner. I've gotten rid of so much in our home that, you know, like, I feel like this may be an actual challenge for me to, you know, continue it and see what else I could probably throw out. And I feel like there's going to be a lot on here that I'm going to be ticking off immediately because I really don't have it anymore, or just don't have, like, any of it because I've probably gotten rid of it. But yeah, this really, really interests me. I love just minimalism. I love the fact that it just makes you feel calm and simple, and like things that you have just have a purpose. And what's the point of keeping things if you don't use it and it's not really something you need? So give it to somebody else that actually will have the chance to use it and actually do need it. So that's my take on it. That's why I love it so much. But yeah, anyway, there's these inserts as well. Then we have the divider part here, just to let me know, yep, this is my daily cleaning method. I'll probably even put a little tab on the side here to kind of, because once this is filled, it's going to be flipped over and I'm going to move that. So I'll probably put a tab over on the side here so that way I can, you know, quickly flip to that, especially if I want to kind of read this too. So that's the daily cleaning schedule, and I'll just flip that over. Then we have the notes. I honestly wouldn't know what I would use these for, from 1 to 24, I think it is. So I'm just going to use it as notes, to be honest. And then I've got some more note paper that's just dot. And then we've got this beautiful washi dashboard that I've just chucked in the back as a page lifter. Okay, so that is pretty much the planner. I will probably pop in a highlighter and the pen that I always obsessively use, so it never usually changes, and I'm sure I'll fill the pockets with something. If not, it'll probably be like this. As you can tell, she is very slim, nice and simple. I actually kind of like it. I like how easy and it's just straightforward with what is inside it. So there you have it, lovelies. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and also let me know in the comments below of what you thought and whether you're going to probably do something similar to this as well. Let me know in the comments anyway. I would love to hear it. Thank you for taking the time out of your day and watching these videos. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to be positive and give love. Bye.